I was going to let you know, but I was scared. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Petra, why? I mean, to some extent, I can understand prostitution for whatever reason or circumstance, but why did you have to sleep with dogs? Why did you have to sleep with dogs? For money? Is that what it was? Why did you hide such a hideous secret from me? Why couldn't you tell me about this?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Honestly, I am sorry.
So as it stands right now, right? I've slept with someone who I've slept with someone who have had sex with dogs. Only God knows how many. Dogs have had sex with you, and then you still brought yourself to me. And I don't even know if I'm free from whatever infections that these dogs have given you. No wonder when I met you, your private part has this hideous smell, and you had rashes. That was the infection you got from dogs, right? Patra, just pray that I don't have any infections, because if I do, I'm going to kill you with my bare hands. I'm going to kill you. If I have a I'm going to kill you. If I have any, just
Pascal, I'm sorry. I was going to explain everything to you. I can explain how everything happened.
There's nothing to explain.
I'm sorry.
You're carrying. There's nothing to explain. Just to think of the fact that you're carrying my baby in your womb.
With this, that's the end of your proposed marriage, right?
Mufi, please don't do this to me. Look, I regret everything that I did. I regret my past. When I traveled, I wanted to survive. You know, that's why I did lots of things that I'm not proud of. And everyone took advantage of it. I'm not even proud of myself. So when I was deported, I became very depressed. I was frustrated. I was tired of life. And that was when I met Pascal. Pascal came and helped me. He helped a dying soul. He healed me of all the pains that I went through. Please don't do this to me. As you can see, I'm carrying this child.
Petra, please, don't even go there. Like, what are you saying? You went to Dubai, and of all the decent jobs in Dubai, you decided to become a prostitute? And not just a prostitute that sleeps with humans, but sleeps with animals as well. Dogs! And expect me not to say anything. Look at this. This is you. Having sex with a dog. Raw! Without any kind of protection. And you expect me to see this and just keep quiet and not talk to me?
Mufi, look, if you do this to me, Pascal will hate me for life. Please, I don't want to lose him.
Look, if it's about Pascal hearing this, he has already heard it.
Hey.
Do you understand? What I would advise you do is that you look for a way, a means to take care of yourself and your unborn child. Do you understand?
Pascal, I'm a changed person now. I am changed. I don't do those things anymore.
Like I said, Pascal will definitely hear about this. Look for a way to take care of your child when it's delivered. And yourself. Do you understand? I'm out of here.
happened? I've been trying to reach you. You're not taking your calls.
I went to see my girlfriend, Winnie. I'm very weak, please. Can you take me to the room?
Yeah, sure. Are you okay? Did you guys get into a fight?
I can never fight my girlfriend. I really want to sleep. Please take me to the room.
Okay. Stop.
I just need to do what's right. What kind of friend would I be if I failed to tell Pascal all I know about Petra's past and he finds out himself? And would it be fair to Petra if I expose her past to her proposed husband? If I do, definitely Pascal will call off the marriage. Then what happens to the baby about to come into this world? Would it be fair to an innocent child? Is Petra to be blamed for her lifestyle? She needed to survive, right? Come on, but others survived without going the extra miles she went. God help me, I'm so confused. Never. Pascal deserves better.
Hello.
Quick one. My fiance, she said she was at your place a few hours ago. Did anything happen while she was there? Hello, Winnie, are you there? Can you hear me?
Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Oh, yes. I can hear you, sir.
Look, my fiance, she came back oddly tired, weak even, and needed to sleep. And when I asked her, she said she was with you at your place a few hours ago. So I'm calling to ask if anything happened while she was there.
Not that I know of. But, she's pregnant. So anything can happen at any time, And, as an expecting mother, she could lose strength any time. So all she needs is a good sleep, just a good rest. That's all.
Okay, thanks. She's asleep now.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So you just allow her sleep, okay? Yeah, she'll be fine.
All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Cynthia second no.
Petra, please. Oh, Pascal really said she's sleeping. Oh my God, I hope I've not complicated things. Jesus Christ, oh Petra. Why would you lie about coming to my house without any clue? At least you would have told me first now.
I wish I never traveled to Dubai. I wish I never gave in to the pressure. I wish I never involved myself in this kind of scandal that is about to spoil my marriage, thereby giving me sleepless nights. I wish I listened to Winnie. Just when I thought I have a life, death came upon me. Murphy, why do you have to show up at all? Just go away, because you have nothing to offer but bitterness and sleepless nights. Why not let the past be in the past? What should matter is my newly found life, hobby, and unborn child. What a handsome, innocent, and caring man I have here. He doesn't deserve to know my past. It will ruin him. I wish I told him earlier. I'm sorry, Pascal, but I don't want to lose you.
Hey, babe. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're crying and you see nothing is wrong. Does your tummy hurt? What's going on?
I'm fine. It's just no more pregnancy wahala, just pain in my lower abdomen, that's all. But I'm good.
What can I do? Should I get you water?
No. Don't worry, I'm okay.
I'm sorry.
Go to bed. I'll be fine.
No, I'll stay up with you. Okay.
I warned you against sleeping with dogs. You slept with dogs raw. Why? Now, look at where it has landed you today. Petra, what were you thinking? You didn't know a day like this would come upon you. Eh? Now tell me, which responsible man would want to marry a woman with such past? Tell me. If you had listened to me when I told you to open up to Pascal, I don't think all these things would have been happening today. Huh? Oh, I'm sorry, dear. Please, just stop crying, alright? Please. Okay. Although I didn't sleep with dogs, but I told my husband that I did prostitution in Dubai. He was so mad at me. He was really pained. But he later forgave me, came back to me, and today we're happily married. That was exactly what I expected you to do. But baby girl, you were proving so stubborn and desperately in need of a man to trap. Now tell me, if Pascal finds out, don't you think you're gonna lose him? Or do you think he will forgive you?
Winnie, this is not the best time to apportion blames. All I need right now is a solution to this mess.
I can't think of anything right now. I can't. I don't know.
I think I have an idea.
Then spill it. Say it.
To eliminate Murphy.
What? Try. What is wrong with you? How could you even think of such? Do you want to get yourself into more trouble that you are in already? If you know what is good for you, you better kill that idea. Kill it right now.
So help me think. That's why I invited you over. Tell me what to do. I don't know what to do.
Okay. Okay. Why don't you go and see Murphy? Yes. We need to sit and then have a meeting with him.
Are you sure this is a good idea? Look, Murphy is very stubborn. I don't think he would listen to us or listen to me. I know Murphy, he will want to do what he has in mind. You sure it's a good idea?
We just need to try it first. After all, there's no harm trying. Let's just give it a try. Okay?
Oh, God.
Huh?
Peace be unto this house.
Hey. How's it going? Good, man. Well, you took me by surprise. I wasn't expecting you at all. Sit.
Are you not saying that I'm not welcome?
Come on. Of course, that's not what I'm saying. What do I offer you? Sorry.
No, it's fine. Sit down. As a matter of fact, I'm the one here to offer you something. There you go. This is for you.
Yeah, what's happening?
Hopefully you can find out.
Champagne. What's the occasion, man? What are we?
You know my fiancée is 5 months pregnant. I had to hasten to, do the needful before she goes to bed.
Yeah. Nice. Pets, weds, passkey.
That's a nice ring to it, right?
Oh, well, yeah.
It's going down. It's going down on the 28th, just like the card says.
Yeah, on the 28th of next month.
Yes, bro, it's going to be a shutdown. It's going to be an amazing day. Like, I'm so looking forward to it. Like, I can't even wait for that day to just walk down the aisle with the love of my life. You know, the woman that makes me so happy, the mother of my unborn child. Bro. Murphy.
Yeah.
How far now? Why are you zoning out? What's going on? What's the problem?
Problem? No problem at all.
Are you sure? I mean, you're not happy that I'm getting married.
Come on, how would you say that now? Come on. Congratulations, man.
Because me, I don't know again.
Of course, I'm happy. I'm happy for you. He has really gone far with his preparations. What will be his fate if I tell him? Bro, I'm happy for you, man.
Thank you so much.
It's going to be a total shock.
We are shutting it down. It's going to be epic.
Yeah. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you were right. For a moment, I was lost in thoughts.
Okay, what were you thinking about? What's on your mind?
Really want to know?
Yes. I'm your guy now. You can tell me anything.
Well, I was thinking of what to wear to your wedding.
Yeah, you play too much. now that one they make you the zone house. Now you still feel it. Now they see your back ups once on the online. They give us that. You know what? I've had a change of heart. Right now I'm going to offer me something because suddenly I'm in the mood.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me drop this.
Okay.
Hey, just give me a minute.
Thanks,
Yeah, so, sorry. Yeah, so do I...
Listen, anything you have, I am down for it. As long as it's got a little bit of alcohol inside.
Okay. The weather is a bit hot, so let's do wine.
Yeah, one is fine. One is fine.
Okay. Which one now? You know, I really don't like the fact that you're begging me, making me feel like I'm the devil that's trying to hinder your happiness. When you brought this upon yourself. Look at your friend. She used her brain in all her dealings, but you didn't, even though you had choices. I spoke with Pastor a few minutes ago. Damn, you needed to see how happy he was. How happy he was about your wedding that's happening on the 28th of next month. Only if he knew. Poor guy. But I'm curious though. I really want to know what you were thinking when you were sleeping with the animals, the dogs, the snakes and scorpions. I want to know what you were thinking in that mind of yours. Were you not thinking of marriage? Did you think that someday you'll get married to someone's son? Huh? What were you thinking? You're not saying anything.
Murphy, please, forgive me. I love Pascal so much. I don't want anything that will ruin our marriage. What can I do for you so you can help me keep this secret?
What can you do? What can you do? What can you do for me?
Just say anything. I'll do it.
Fine. I've heard you. I'll think about it. But you have to leave now.
Okay. Please, you need to help my friend. Please. We will be expecting your calls next. Right?
I've heard.
What can I do for you so you can help me keep this secret? Just say anything. I'll do it. Hello, Murphy.
Hi, now I want you to listen carefully. Go get a wide apartment at Coco Montana Suites by weekend.
Hotel. What for?
You asked what I wanted you to do for me, right?
Yes.
And just do it.
Murphy, you know this is wrong. I am pregnant for your friend and you... Hello? Hello? This is fun. Oh, God.
You mean Murphy said that to you?
Imagine. Someone who is supposed to work for the favor of his friend's marriage.
So what do you plan on doing?
I don't know. I can't think of anything.
Petra, don't tell me you're considering doing that.
Nah, never. I can't correct bad with bad. That's like adding fuel to a burning furnace.
Do you know you can actually use this against him and destroy his friendship with Pascal?
How?
Okay. Oh, it's not going to work. We don't have an evidence of him telling you to book an apartment in the hotel.
No. My phone automatically records calls.
Wow, that's a good one. So, say bye-bye to Pascal and Murphy's friendship. Yes. With that now, you will cut out the parts where he only told you to book an apartment in the hotel, and then play it for Pascal to listen. And then tell Pascal that his so-called friend wants to have a taste of you. Boom! And see how the magic happens.
My goodness. Girlfriend, you're a genius.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
You can say that again.
This is a great idea.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. This is so relieving.
Yeah. Don't worry. Stop. So, relax your mind. Okay? Just relax.
Honey,
Yes, baby.
you really need to be careful with your friend Murphy.
What do you mean?
He's not a good friend. He is capable of hurting you.
Babe, I don't understand what you're saying. What are you talking about?
Your so-called friend Murphy is making advances towards me.
Wait, Murphy's hitting on you? That's not even possible.
You don't believe me? You think I'm lying? He asked me to meet him up in a hotel by the weekend.
Look, babe, it's not like I think you're lying. It's just that what you're saying is not making any sense. I mean, this is Murphy we are talking about here. Is there a different Murphy? Are you referring to a different one?
It seems you have so much confidence in him. You'll be disappointed. Hold on. Let me play you something.
Hi, now I want you to listen carefully. Go get a wide apartment at Cocoa Suites by weekend.
Did you hear that? You believe me now, right? Look, your friend Murphy is jealous of our relationship. He is not happy that we're getting married soon. You need to avoid him and don't believe anything he tells you, because he is not a good person. How can someone you call your friend ask your woman to meet up in a hotel? Like how? Avoid him before it's too late.
You didn't tell me you were coming, I would have.
The same way you did not tell me what you have been up to with my wife.
What? Your wife? What are you talking about?
You said what? Oh, I like the look of shock and surprise on your face. You didn't think I was going to find out?
Find out what?
Well, you did not think I was going to find out that you have been making advances at my wife. You've been eyeing my wife.
I beg, stop it. What is it? How can you come here and just be throwing accusations up and down? Making advances at your wife? How? How? Look, what she's doing, she's trying to play counter game. That's what she's doing.
Oh, okay. So you're saying that Petra is playing a counter game?
Petra is playing a counter game. It's not obvious. Like, what are you even trying? Where is she?
She's at home, of course.
Then take me to the house. I want to tell you some things before her. Let me see her defend herself in front of me. Take me to the house. Guy, let's go. Take me to her house. I better open this door. Petra, I want you to say to my face what you told your fiancé about me.
Baby, can you please give me a minute? Please. Baby, I'm sorry. I lied.
What do you mean you lied? Why?
I framed it up. I didn't know how to tell you that I don't like your friend.
Why though?
I can't tell. My spirit doesn't just like your friend.
But baby, you didn't have to go that far, framing for something you didn't do. You could have just told me the same way you're telling me right now, and then nobody would get hurt. Besides, you don't really have to like him. You just have to love me, right?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Go and speak to him.
So?
Bro, listen, I'm so sorry for the embarrassment. It's just that for some reason that I can't even explain, Petra doesn't really feel comfortable talking around you. I don't know what that's about. Maybe it's the whole pregnancy or hormones or whatever. I don't know, but I'm really sorry, man. No vex, I beg.
It's fine. Shall I just know that you and your fiancé have ruined my day?
this small thing now has ruined your day. You too vex. Okay, you know what? Let's go out, get some drinks.
Winnie, you almost got me killed with the advice you gave to me, which I implemented. It was just a slim chance I had. I would have gotten into trouble.
What happened?
Would you believe Murphy came to my man's house to expose me?
Jesus Christ, you don't mean it.
Immediately I saw Murphy, my spirit almost left my body. It took me time to get myself together. Please, I beg you in the name of God, next time, don't give me such implicating advice again. Please.
How was I supposed to know it would turn out like this? Eh? Well, thank God you played smart.
But I'm still very worried. Because I know someday Murphy will come and expose me. He will expose everything. Eh? What do I do?
He has already told you what to do by sleeping with him. So, the choice is now left for you to decide if you will sleep with him or not.
Good day. Murphy, if I may ask, what would be your gain if you eventually destroy my marriage? Please, if I've done anything to you, knowingly or unknowingly, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Please, save my marriage. Please.
Take a look at yourself. You think you're smart? You reported me to Pascal that I asked you to go book a hotel because you're trying to cause problems between the two of us, right? You're trying to ruin my relationship with him. I swear to God, you're so lucky. And let me tell you something, you won't be that lucky the very next time you decide to misbehave. Just look at you. I would have spilled everything. Every damn thing. And you know your fate. Of course you do. Just imagine a low life like you trying to cause a rift between Pascal and I. Some things are really beyond you. I'll get out of my house before I lose my temper.
Murphy, I'm sorry.
Get out of my house!
Okay.
Don't make me push you.
My past is now haunting me. Feel like burning. Can you forgive me, hon? When you find a home.
There she is, my beautiful bride-to-be. Look at how beautiful you are looking. Carrying our baby. Oh, I can feel it kicking. So lovely. How are you?
I know what this excitement is all about.
This excitement. I cannot contain this excitement, baby. You don't understand. Listen, our wedding invitation, right? I've shared out to all our business partners, our board of directors, the market guilds, and all the companies that we're in business with. And guess what? They cannot wait for that day. They can't wait to come. It's going to be a shutdown. I am going to shock this country for your sake. We are going to shock them. Look, baby, I'm looking so beautiful on that day. You're going to be the envy of every woman. Eh? The award for the most beautiful bride handed to you, a platter of gold. So beautiful.
Thank you so much. I can't wait for 28 to come. It should come already.
It should come tomorrow. That's how much I can't wait. I'll come here. My darling. You look so beautiful. It's like you're shining by the day. Eh? You're just glowing. Eh? Like the star. Like the moon.
Pascal, you're making me blush.
Like, blush all you can. You don't used to look at yourself in the mirror. You do not see yourself. You are absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
With this bump. I don't even know if you look better now than before you got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my darling. I can't wait. You look so good.
I wish I never knew. My past is now haunting me. We still like an amendment. My heart is the body. We I can fix it. My past is now haunting.
Imagine the huge plans he has for our wedding that Murphy wants to destroy. I won't let it happen. I have to kill him. Murphy has to die. Winnie, I need to do something about Murphy as soon as possible. Pascal has huge plans for our marriage. Only Murphy can twat it.
So what did you come up with?
Murphy has to die.
Again? Petra, are you still nursing this idea in your mind since the other day you told me about it and I told you to let it go?
Look, that's the only option as it stands right now. The other time we made an attempt, I almost got ruined. I have to crush Murphy before he spoils everything for me. And that is where I need your support.
My support? How do I support you here? How?
I want you to help me poison him.
What? Poison? Petra, I'm not interested. Please, please, please count me out. As a matter of fact, we never had this conversation. So please, leave my house. Please.
Winnie, are you asking me out of your house?
Yes. Unless you have something more reasonable to say. I mean, what kind of a friend are you? How could you say that to me? Why don't you do it yourself? Oh, I get it. You want to drag my name to the mud, right? Oh, what a friend you are.
I can't do it myself because Murphy will not give me the chance to be close to him to the extent of poisoning him. But with you, there's a greater chance. He'll be more flexible with you.
Petra, I'm sorry. I'm not interested. Please leave my house. Please, please, please.
I'll give you 3 million naira.
3 what?
Million naira.
Winnie?
Yeah. Good day, Murphy.
What a surprise. Is there a problem?
No, not at all. Must there be a problem before I visit a friend?
A friend?
Yeah. Am I not a friend? Or did you offend me?
Well, the last time I checked, you were not my friend. You're friends with Petra, who happens to be my friend.
So, who is the friend of your friend to you? An enemy?
You win. Please sit. What do I offer you?
Thank you.
What can I offer you?
Nothing. I'm okay.
Are you sure? I have soft drinks for women.
Alright. Thank you. I'm here for something very important.
Okay. I'm listening.
It's about Petra.
I knew it. I really don't want to talk about her. Alright, so if that's the reason you're here, I think you should leave.
Murphy. Please. I want you to see this from another angle. Let's say Petra is your sister, and such happens. Will you support a fiancé to leave her or forgive her?
Well, first of all, Petra is not my sister. No sister of mine will be running around Dubai sleeping with dogs raw. Let me ask you a question. What if you were in my shoes? You're friends to Pascal and is about to get married to a girl that you know sleeps around with dogs raw. What would you do? Would you keep quiet or expose the person? And mind you, whatever answer you give will determine the kind of person that you are.
Well, I'm not disputing the fact that her past is a very ugly one.
Very ugly. Very ugly.
But all I'm begging you for is for you to keep this secret so everyone can be happy. Pascal is so happy without knowing about this secret. And you're going to tell him will destroy his joy and peace of mind. Murphy, please, I just want you to have a rethink about this whole thing. Please.
I think you need to leave. I just want to clear my head on this matter. Just leave. I'm trying not to be rude, actually.
Murphy, let me make it very easy for you. Why don't you go get dressed? Let me take you out for a drink. Any place of your choice, okay?
What? A drink?
Yes. Please. Alright?
Sounds like a plan. Let me dress up. And sit down, please.
Thanks for the outside.
Let me use the restroom.
Oh, okay.
But it take too long.
Oh, not at all.
Hey. I hope these people are not going to embarrass me because of this broken glass.
Oh, why did he let it fall?
Come on, were you not here? I didn't do it on purpose. Come on now. Oh my God.
It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. Let me just call them to come clean it up. Why? They give you another glass and another bottle of that. Okay?
No. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just leave. Okay?
Leave?
Yeah.
You just got here. Huh?
Let's just go, please.
Did he go? Tell me he's dead, please.
Please calm down. It's not as easy as you think. Murphy is stiff-necked. Yes. I had already done what needed to be done, only for him to break the glass cup that contains the poison. What? As suddenly he said he wants to go.
But you would have persuaded him to take another drink now.
Of course I did. But I didn't want to make it look so obvious, so he won't start suspecting me.
You're right though. Thanks for attempting anyways.
Petra, it's not as easy as you think. It is not killing chicken we're talking about here. It is human being with flesh and blood. A full-grown man. So it's not going to be easy.
When if you were in my shoes, you would have done the same thing.
Baby girl, relax. I got you, alright? I got you, so just relax. I'll get it done, that's no problem. Okay? Trust me. You know, I had already made plans for that 3 million naira. So I must get it done. Alright? Just relax.
So now you know how manipulative money can be.
Of course I do. I know, just relax. I'll get it done. Calm down, please. Okay?
Hey. No, what up?
What's up now? I wasn't expecting you. What's going on?
Man, I got bored at home. Decided to come out. And also find out how, preparations are going for your marriage.
Oh, yes. Well, we thank God. Making real good progress. I've actually gone quite far. Yes.
Or more. Marriage is not easy, bro. I swear, it takes a lot. And the most difficult part is finding the partner to even get married to. How? You won't even believe what I've been through trying to find a wife. Or more, up till now. I've not even seen anything that's close to that.
See, if you're looking for a wife, you have to bring your eyes down. Because most times what we are looking for is right in front of us, at your fingertips, but we go searching for it far and wide. There's a huge difference between wife and girlfriend. Girlfriend, they everywhere now. Left, right, and center. Any corner you look. Girlfriend, they. But wife, it's very difficult. That's why you need to bring your eyes down.
And focus on the wife.
That's the focus. It's like tunnel vision.
Okay. Wow. I guess I have to start taking classes from you then.
Yes, so you need to come for master class. But it will cost you just a little bit of talk.
Any amount is worth it. Yeah, okay. So, how did you meet Petra?
Jesus!
Okay.
Babe!
fish trying to spoil things for me.
Why will you be asking my man how he got to know me? What do I do? What can...
What happened? You scared us out there. Are you okay? Does your stomach hurt?
I'm fine. It's just that the baby kicked and I was shocked. But I'm fine now. There's nothing to worry about.
Are you sure? Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm fine. Has Murphy gone?
Oh, no, he's still around. Look, babe, I need you to please go with him. Alright, he's my friend and we go way back. Please.
It's fine.
Thank you.
Can I get you guys some juice?
No, don't worry about it. With the baby kicking and you feeling pain, just relax. I don't want you stressing yourself, right? I'll handle it.
No, I'm fine. It's normal for babies to kick. I'm good, trust me.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, but nothing strenuous, okay? Please.
Okay. Enjoy your juice.
Thank you, baby. Take it easy, yo.
Yes, so you were about to tell me how you met your fiancée.
Oh, yes. I actually met her in church. You look surprised. Yes, she was a dedicated church steward. Still is, even.
I see.
Yes. Look, bro, you need to start going to church so you can meet a very decent woman like Petra. You know, someone to marry, not all these chewing gum girls.
So in clear terms, you're saying that I should start going to church to find a wife?
Yes, of course. Look. If you're looking for a girlfriend, you know where to find them. Go to the clubs. But if you're looking for a wife, go to the church. Now there, them day, my bro.
Okay. I guess I'll try it out. I guess I would try. Let's see if that will work. Let's see if you really met Petra in church.
Wait, are you are you doubting?
Sorry, man.
Thank you. So are you doubting me that I met Petra? I'm telling you that she was.
Sorry, you didn't water.
Don't even know. I think there's something in the air. Bro, I'm being very honest with you. That's all you need to do. Just go.
You sure you don't need water?
I don't.
God, what is this now? I don't understand. You need water? Guy! Petra! What is it now? What is this? Petra!
What is it?
Come on, I don't understand what's going on.
Baby! Babes?
Wait, listen. Listen.
Oh my goodness. Sorry. What do we do?
Just relax.
What happened?
Relax.
Sorry.
Stand up.
Baby, sorry.
What is this now?
What do we do? Coffee. Let's take him to the hospital, please, immediately.
Okay.
Oh my God, sorry. Sorry.
Thank God, madam, you brought him on time. Do not worry. The treatment that he has received we calm the situation.
Doctor, please. Do everything you can to bring him back to life. He's my fiancé. As you can see, I'm carrying his child. Please. Please help me. I beg you in the name of God. Please.
It's fine, madam. Do not to worry. Everything will be fine. Just calm your nerves.
Oh, God. Let's go.
Everything will be fine. Just calm your nerves. Let me quickly attend to some other things. I'll be right back.
Winnie, I'm finished. Oh, what have I done?
What is it? What happened?
The poison I prepared for Murphy. My fiancé drank it, oh.
What?
Ha! He's in the hospital. He's lying in the hospital. I don't know what to do.
Are you serious right now?
He said, please lying in the hospital. Oh, I just pray he survives it. Hey!
What did the doctor say about his condition? Will he survive?
No. Murphy has cost me a lot. Murphy has cost me a lot.
What did you do?
Ah!
Petra, please just calm down. Just take it easy now, please. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Please take it easy, okay?
My fiancé, oh. Hey, Pascal.
It's okay. Please take it easy. Just calm down.
Jesus Christ! Petra! His body is not moving and I can't even feel his heart! What? Pascal! Hey, Jesus, doctor. Jesus, it's not dead, no. Hey.
He has a pulse. He's not dead. Just that the substance that he took would damage a lot of things in his body. Just calm down. He will heal. Okay.
Pascal. Father, have mercy on my soul. Forgive me my sins, oh God. Heal my husband. Wake him up from that hospital bed, oh God. Father, there's nothing you cannot do. Oh, Lord. Lord, heal my husband. Please, God, please, make him do this for me. I will forever be grateful. Father, heal my husband. He doesn't deserve to be on the hospital bed. God, please. Your daughter is kneeling down before you. Lord, for my sake, heal my husband. There is nothing you cannot do because you're the creator of heaven and earth and everything on the earth belongs to you. Heal my husband. Heal my husband. Please, Lord. Please, save me, please. Here, come in. Come in. Okay.
How are you doing?
As you can see, I'm not fine. Murphy, please, put an end to these threats. Let's go of the past. The past is what we cannot recover, but we can always take hold of the future. Murphy, I'm a changed person now. I've given my life to Christ. Please, stop tormenting me. I'm tired of this whole situation. Please.
Petra, that's not why I'm here. Alright? This is not the time. That's not why I'm here, please. The doctor is demanding for payment. That's why I'm here. I'll transfer the sum of 1 million naira to you so that you make payment. I want Pascal out as soon as possible. I want him back on his feet. Have a lovely day.
Oh my goodness, baby, you're back to your feet. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Thank God. Thank God for you. You know, I'm just coming from the doctor's office. Your friend gave me 1 million naira to pay the bills. I had to add just little amount of money to complete it.
He's a good friend.
Yes, very good friend. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Absolutely.
Well, the doctor said you're good to go. He gave me some drugs. Let's go. We have to go home.
Yeah, I miss home and I miss you.
I know. Let's go. Yes. I have paid the hospital bills. Your friend is back to his feet now.
Wow, that's great.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Murphy, my wedding with Pascal is in 2 weeks. Please, I want to beg you. Keep my secret for me. I know it's difficult for you, but try and help me. Please.
I've already told you what to do. It's very simple. I gave you choices. But you rejected them. You vehemently refused. Go and pay for a hotel and I will come there and meet you. That's not hard now, is it?
If I may ask, if I get this hotel, what do you intend to come and do there?
I don't understand. What kind of question is that? Of course, I'm going to sleep with you. That shouldn't be new to you.
To sleep with me? What do you mean? Murphy, I am your friend's woman. For Christ's sake, I am carrying this child. I am pregnant for him. Why do you want to do this to him? I thought you said you cared about your friend. Look, request for something else. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
Well, you see the way it is difficult for you to do what I've asked. That's exactly how difficult it is for me not to tell your fiancé what you did in your dirty past. How you were sleeping with dogs, raw, in Dubai.
You have really suffered.
Murphy is bent on destroying my marriage if I don't oblige to what he wants. I have this feeling that he plans to reveal my secret to my fiancé a day to our wedding, and that could be disastrous.
So, what do you want to do now?
I don't have a choice as it stands now. I have to succumb to what he wants. I'm booking the hotel. Whatever music he plays, I'll dance to it.
Do you think that's a wise decision?
Look, when you have tried so many things that I thought were wiser decisions, and it landed me in more problems. So this should work. I have to do everything to protect my wedding. I can't afford to lose Pascal.
Then, good luck, my friend. Whatever you decide to do, I'm surely with you. Okay?
I wish I can amend it. It just got me in my head. I am truly sorry. I don't mean to do it. My past is not a heart, man. I wish that I can mend it. My heart is burning. I wish that I can fix it. My past is now hard, man. I wish that I can amend it. My heart is burning. I wish I can fix it. It hurt me so much. Tell me how you want me to understand it. I can't believe my ears, but it has happened. I gotta let go. It's just your past.
Wow. I can see you're ready for me.
Yes. I'm set for you. Feel free to have me. But promise me you will delete the video from your phone and you will never tell Pascal.
Oh, I promise. I do.
Are you sure after doing this with me you will still not expose me?
I won't. If I do, you can do whatever you want with me.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay then. You can come and have me. Do with my body however you deem fit. Come.
There's a problem.
A problem? What's the problem? Murphy, what is it? Did you set me up? Talk to me now, I ain't not saying anything. My fiancé around. What is it now? Talk to me. What's the problem? Why you muting me? Look, you know I'm pregnant. I could easily develop BP. If anything happens to me, my blood will be on your head. What's the problem?
Sit.
Murphy, what is it? Talk to me.
Relax.
Okay. I'm trying to relax. I'm calm now. What's the problem?
You're a disgrace to womanhood. As a matter of fact, you're a disgrace to humanity. I thought you said you had changed. That you had turned a new leaf. Huh? You even said you had given your life to Christ, that you had repented. What is it? A week to your wedding? And you were here with me. Your fiance's friend. You want to sleep with me to cover your dirty past. And you say you've changed. It's very typical of you. You are very desperate. You're too desperate to get anything you want. So desperate that you had to sleep with a dog. Raw! That you sleep with dogs, you sleep with animals raw. Just to get by. Just to get whatever it is you want. You said you had changed, really? Like this? From where I stand, you are far from changing. Oh yes, I orchestrated this whole thing because I wanted to know if you had really changed. I was hoping that just once you would convince me that you had changed. But what happened? You ruined everything. And right now, I just want to tell Pascal everything about your dirty past this minute.
Please don't. Please.
God, you're so despicable. I can't even look at you.
Oh God. Oh God, what have I done? Why is all this? Oh God. Oh. God! Winnie, I'm finished.
What happened?
I'm finished.
What is it? What happened?
Murphy has finished me, but this is the height of it all. Murphy has killed me. Ha!
Please calm down. Calm down, talk to me. What happened? Talk to me, please.
Murphy asked me to wait for him in the hotel.
Okay.
Oh, Murphy humiliated me. He knew he was not going to sleep with me. He just needed an evidence to drag me to the mud. I'm finished. Oh, God.
Jesus. But why is Murphy such a devil? Why is he doing this to you?
I don't know.
Petra, stand up. Okay? Stand up. Let's go and meet. We need to talk to him. So get this done over. Okay? Let's go. It's okay. Just take it easy. Let's go. We need to talk to him. Alright? Let's take it easy. Please, Murphy. I'm begging you to take it easy on Petra. If not for anything, at least for her condition. Can't you see she's pregnant? Why are you doing this to her? She obliged to do what you wanted her to do. But you ended up getting her into more troubles. Murphy, what else do you want her to do? Commit suicide? Please, can you just stop it? Stop it already, please. Please.
Well, I thought she had changed. And to confirm that, I had to put her to a test. Hoping that she would give me reasons not to tell her fiancé, but she failed. Look at this. More videos. I'll be keeping this as evidence to back up whatever it is I'm going to tell her fiancé. Just in case she tries to deny.
Murphy, please forgive me. I beg you, forgive me.
I know she has wronged you in so many ways. But she's doing all this just to make sure she secures a marriage. It's so bad that all these things are happening now. But we will gain nothing from spoiling her marriage. I'm begging you, Murphy, please, in the name of God Almighty. Let's put our hands together to save this marriage for her. If not for anything, at least for the sake of our unborn child. Murphy, please. 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 I'm begging you, please.
Your time here is up. I was actually on my way out and I need to lock my door. Please, if you don't mind. Please.
Murphy.
I'm being nice.
Murphy.
I'm being nice.
It's okay, my friend. Don't worry. I'm always here for you. And I will see to the end of this matter. Yes. I want you to know you are not alone in this. I'm with you, always by your side. Alright? I suspected that hotel movement was not going to be that smooth. And I also had this doubt that it was just going to sleep with you and then let you go. Just like that. No. But don't worry, let's not dwell too much on this. Everything's going to be fine, trust me. And there's every possibility you might not even tell Pastor about this whole thing.
Are you sure?
Yes. That's what I'm thinking. Eh? Just take it easy on yourself, please. Okay? At least for the sake of the unborn child. I don't want to hear stories that torture you. Please. Alright? Just calm down. Hmm?
Winnie, thank you so much. Thank you for always being by my side. I don't know what I would have done without you. Thank you.
You can actually do a lot without me, but not without God. Okay? So just take it easy. Everything will be fine. So, I want you to stand up and go home now before your fiancé starts looking for you. And before he starts suspecting your moves. Alright? So let's go home.
I wish I can amend it. It just got me in my head. I am truly sorry.
I know you're pregnant. You just please don't want to. Ready for? No, it's close to me. I use it for them. Okay, well that's what's you know, I'm just taking it from you. Because I know if I decide to kick it, I will catch you. Who is this children now? Eh? Oh, it's Murphy. Hello, bro.
I'm fine, thank you. How is Petra?
Petra, she's good. We actually just playing before your call came out.
Oh, I'm sorry to interrupt. I'll just drop and call back when you're done, okay?
Oh, no, it's not that serious. It's not that kind of play, man. Come on, get your mind out of the gutter.
Okay, you say so. Well, I'd like to discuss something with you and Petra.
You like to discuss with me and Petra?
Yeah.
What could it be? It's strange. You want to discuss something with me and Petra has to be there.
Oh, well, because it has to do with her. She's the subject matter.
Petra is the subject matter. Bro, are you sure everything is alright?
Come on, why are you being so curious then?
Because like I said, it's very strange.
Look, you have absolutely nothing to worry about, okay? So, how does tomorrow sound?
I guess so. Where do you want to meet?
Murphy called Pascal and told him that he wants to have a meeting with the both of us in our house tomorrow.
You don't mean it.
Winnie, I'm tired. I don't know what else to do. Please, help me think. What do you think I should do at this point?
My dear Petra, I just have to tell you the honest truth. There is nothing more to do. Yes, we have practically done everything possible, but all to no avail. So, at this point, we need to call it a quit.
No, Winnie. Don't be like that. What happens to me? What will happen to my unborn child? I should quit. Remember, winners never quit and quitters never win.
Either ways, you cannot win this. That's the reality. Let's embrace the fact and then move on with our lives. Okay. What's the worst that could happen? Let's say if Pastor finds out, he gets angry with you and then throw you out of his house and out of his life completely. My darling, there is more to life than having a fiancé or a husband. I am sorry to say, but I have to be sincere with you at this point. As for your pregnancy, it's no longer a big deal that women raise their children alone. Of course, there are so many single mothers out there, and they are doing very well for themselves. So get rid of your fears. This is the deadline, Petra. So allow Murphy to do whatever he wants to do, so you can be free from the terrors he brings upon you every night and day. Most times, fear kills faster than a bullet. Take a look at yourself. Do you think you are alive like this? No. You are more or less like a shadow of yourself. Petra, I want you to embrace your reality so you can come back alive again.
Hey man. How far?
What's with all this back and forth? My fiancé and I were already waiting for you before you called and I said I need you here alone. What's going on?
Well, I had to. For my own safety.
What are you talking about?
You know we go way back, Pascal. Like I've known you for the longest. You know there's no way I'll see you trying to walk into a pit. And I won't do everything possible to save you. I got you, like, I got your back all the time.
I know that. I am very aware. I trust you. What is this about?
Well, thank you for trusting me. I don't know how long you've known Petra, but I'm sure you met her after she returned from Dubai. But I've known her for a very long time, and that's all the way from Dubai. What I'm about to tell you, it would be a sin against man and God if I do not tell you as your friend. I'll be failing in my duty as your closest friend. I really wouldn't want to do this, but it's important I do it. Look, your wedding is around the corner. It is important I tell you this before your wedding. You see, your fiancée, Petra, is not who you think she is. Petra was a prostitute in Dubai. And she wasn't just a regular prostitute that sleeps with humans for money. She was a prostitute to animals. I mean dogs, Pascal. I'm sorry, man. She did that, and the UAE government found out and had her deported. That is why, as it is right now, Petra can never return to Dubai. I'm sorry, man, I have to tell you this.
Murphy, in all the years that I've known you, and that's been many, many years.
Yeah.
I've never known you to be a liar.
Yeah, because I'm not.
So are you trying to start now? Because last time I checked, old dogs don't learn new tricks.
Come on, Pascal. I have evidence, all right? I have proof. It's here on my phone.
Let's see your evidence.
Okay.
Wow. This was what this whole thing was about.
That's your evidence right there. Yeah, bro.
Tell me this. This is not true. But this is not my fiancée.
Obviously, that's her.
But this cannot be my fiancée. This is not Petra.
I'm sorry, man, but it is. I'm sorry. Guy. You need to calm down.
What do you mean calm down? Did you just see what I saw?
Guy, that's her, obviously. The video went viral in Dubai. That's why I have it on my phone.
No, now this has to be fake. This has to be one of those videos that they just edit on YouTube. All these small boys do these things. This cannot be real. This cannot. Tell me it's not real now. Come on, you cannot be playing with stuff like this now.
I'm not playing, bro. No point.
I'm finished.
The video went viral in Dubai and that's how the government saw it. That's why it's on my phone.
Okay, I'm finished.
Sorry, man. Bro. Take it chill, bro. Please. I'm sorry, man, but I have to tell you. I'm sorry. Please sit down.
Father, please forgive me. I know I've sinned against you in so many ways that even if you decide not to forgive me, you'll still be right. Father, have mercy upon my soul. Let my fear not sweep over my feet. Oh God, let my marriage with Pascal not scatter. Father, I'm sorry. Oh God, touch Pascal's heart so he can forgive me. I know by now Murphy must have told him everything. Father, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. Oh God. God, have mercy upon my soul. Have mercy upon my soul. I am a changed person now. Oh God, I didn't know what I was doing. Father, have mercy on your daughter. Have mercy on me. Let my marriage not scatter, oh God. Oh God, Daddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. God. I was going to let you know, but I was scared. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Petro, why? I mean, to some extent, I can understand prostitution for whatever reason or circumstance, but why did you have to sleep with dogs? Why did you have to sleep with dogs? For money? Is that what it was? Why did you hide such a hideous secret from me? Why couldn't you tell me about this?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Honestly, I am sorry.
So as it stands right now, right? I've slept with someone who have had sex with dogs. Only God knows how many dogs have had sex with you, and then you still brought yourself to me, and I don't even know if I'm free from whatever infections These dogs have given you... No wonder when I met you, your private part has this hideous smell and you had rashes. That was the infection you got from dogs, right? Patra, please, just pray. Pray that I don't have any infections, because if I do, I'm going to kill you with my bare hands. I'm going to kill you. If I have a... I'm going to kill you. If I have any... Just...
Pascal, I'm sorry. I was going to explain everything to you. I can explain how everything happened.
There's nothing to explain.
I'm sorry.
You're carrying... There's nothing to explain. Just to think of the fact that you're carrying my baby in your womb. Sure, you have my child in your womb, and then you've slept with dogs. Like, dogs have had sex with you. Raw sex! And you have my baby. Like, I feel like squeezing you. Just squeezing the life out of you right now, because I cannot begin to...
I'm sorry. Press it now.
You lied to me. You lied to me. When I asked you what job you were doing in Dubai, you said that you were into exportation and importation of clothes. Meanwhile, the government had deported you because of all the atrocities you were committing in the country. Like...
I'm sorry, Pascal. Forgive me, please.
Right now, I need you to please get up. Pick your things and get out of my house. That's the only thing I need you to do. I need you to stand up and get your things and get out of my house. Leave my house now! You're leaving this house this very day. You're leaving this house today! Where is she? Leave my house. You have to leave. If you don't leave, I'm going to kill you with my bare hands, and you're not going to leave me.
I've said I'm sorry.
Leave this place now. Are you going to leave?
Pascal, I'm pregnant. I'm carrying your child. Pascal, don't do this.
Remove your hand from this way.
Don't do this to me. Pascal, don't do this to me. No.
Who is this
Pascal,
one? No, sir.
Pascal, please.
Sir. Come here.
No. Where do you want me to go?
Remove your hand from there now.
I don't have anywhere to go to, please.
Remove your hand from this way.
I'm sorry.
Stand up.
Please. Pascal.
Make sure she doesn't come back.
No. Let me go, please. I'm sorry. Leave me alone.
Bring that to come on.
I'm sorry. Please, no. Don't do this to me, please.
Stand up.
I'm sorry. I'm a changed person now.
Who be that? Who is that?
Are you happy now? You have done your worst. You have accomplished your heart's desire. Are you happy now? Look at me. In my condition, I am outside with my luggage. All thanks to you. Murphy, I begged you. Not to reveal my secret. You still went ahead to tell my husband. What's your gain? No, tell me, what's your gain? What wrong? What's my offense? What did I do to you? Why have you decided to punish me like this? Why have you decided to rip me of happiness? Why? You are very wicked, Murphy. Murphy, you are heartless, and my God will judge you. My God will judge you. Except when you're not serving the living God, God will judge you, Murphy. God will judge you. Wicked soul! will judge you! Ah! For this thing you have done to me, you will never go scot-free. You will never.
Bro, I'm finished. I'm finished. No, Petra I am done for. Can you even begin to imagine the level of disappointment and embarrassment that this girl has brought upon me? Do you even know that my wedding cards have been sent out? They have been sent out to my business partners, to my colleagues, home and abroad, and they are all looking forward to this day. So what exactly am I supposed to do now that it's obvious that this wedding cannot even happen, let alone the whole damn marriage? What am I supposed to do? And I've invested so much money from the event planner to the venue, like everything is ready for this wedding that is supposed to happen this Saturday. Like this Saturday, bro.
I understand, okay? But see, you should be happy that you found out now. And I was just being a friend, a loyal friend. All right, I mean, just imagine that you got married to her and then you find out about her past. You'll feel horrible. You will even feel worse knowing that I was aware and I didn't say anything. Look, if you can marry her, if you can cope with the wedding, just go ahead. Yes, and if you can't, then I don't know. It's your choice.
Wait, hold on. Are you even listening to yourself? Like what you're saying, are you hearing yourself and is it making sense to you? What do you mean by cope? Like who copes? Bro, would you cope? What kind of person would cope with that kind of person that you know that she has that hideous past? How do you expect me to? What do you mean by cope? Do you know the kind of trauma that I'm going to have to go through living with that kind of person, with that kind of past? Bro, come on now. Bro. Look, I know how I was saying that I wish she had told me and opened up about this whole thing, but right now I wish that I did not even know. Because you know how they say what you don't know cannot hurt you. Right now, I just wish I did not know, because what am I supposed to do?
Bro, I understand. I feel you, bro. I feel you. But it has happened, okay? It has happened. I'm even afraid for my own life. Yes. My life is at risk right now because I don't even know what Petra is planning against me. If you can go ahead with the wedding, like I said, by all means, do that. I think it will save us some problems, honestly. I don't know what she's planning though. As it is now, she might be seeing me as an enemy of progress or as somebody that spoils her chances of getting married to you. If you can cope, Omo, just go ahead with the thing. You need to calm down. Look at the drinks. See the level. It means you've been drinking. I know how you feel, bro, but...
I'm coming.
Winnie. Jesus Christ. So, this is what it resulted to? A refugee in your fiancé's house? So, after all our pleadings with Murphy, he did this. What sort of a man is he? Why is he so heartless? Why? Murphy. Murphy is wicked. Murphy has done the worst. His saving grace would be if my husband accepts me back. Because if Pascal sends me out of this house, I will kill him. Murphy is gone.
Petra, calm down. It's okay. You won't leave, I believe. If Pascal really wants you out of his house, you won't be here by now. He's still very angry, which is normal. You don't expect him to hug and kiss you for what you did. Nah. So just relax, okay? Relax, it's alright. Come on, just wipe that chest. Stop it, I'm ready. It's okay. I'm coming, let me go in and talk to him. Alright? Trust me, everything's gonna be fine. Come on, baby girl, it's alright, okay? I'm coming.
Hi, Pascal.
Pascal, I am so sorry for what happened. I know what my friend did is very bad. And I understand how you're feeling right now. I understand your emotions right now. Pascal, please, could you find a place in your heart to forgive her? Please, Pascal. I know what she did is very bad. The worst of it all is that she tried hiding it from you all these years. And I believe she hid it from you because she loves you. Yes, she doesn't want to hurt you, Pascal. Pascal, can you just let the past be in the past and move ahead with what is before you, which is your family, Petra, and your unborn child? Pascal, I know you love Petra so much. And she loves you too. That's all that matters right now. Prostitutes still get married. Just like my case. I was once a prostitute in Dubai. Although I told my husband before we got married. He got angry anyway, but he still forgave me and accepted me for who I am. And today we are happily married. And he has never used it against me. Same goes to other women out there. Most men won't talk about their wives' past because of how dirty it is. Pascal, nobody, no single soul is perfect. begging you in the name of God. Please, let the past remain in the past. Please, Pascal, I want you to forgive my friend. Please.
I know that circumstances in life forced you and Petra into prostitution in your past. To a large extent, I can understand that. And I do not judge.
Okay.
But my question to you is, in all your years while living that life, have you ever slept with a dog?
No. Never in my entire life. No.
See, that I can never understand. And I cannot forgive. You think you know how I feel, but you have no idea. And you can't. I don't even expect you to. But you see, I'm done talking about this with you or anyone else. I have made up my mind. There's nothing anyone can do about it. I do not want Petra in my life anymore. And that's final.
Pascal, you can't say that.
Excuse me.
Pascal, you can't say that. No. No. Pascal. Pascal, please.
What did he say?
I think he needs some time to think about it. Yes. It's not the end of you and him. I can guarantee you that, okay?
But I've been out here since morning. He has not said anything. I don't know his next plan.
Petra, just relax. He's not planning anything. Yeah. I don't know how long you stay here and wait for him. So, why don't you follow me to my house? Yes, so you could eat something, take your bath, and relax properly. Alright?
Don't worry. If I follow you to your house now, he might not allow me back into this house. I'll handle everything. I'll sort things out. I'll be fine. Don't worry.
Sure.
Just go. You have tried.
You sure?
I'm sure. Thank you. Thank you.
If anything comes up, just let me know, okay?
I'll let you know.
Alright.
Madam, now you?
Please. Let me sleep in your room. It's cold and I don't want cold to affect my baby. It's also very dark, please.
Hey, madam, I really feel for you, but it's not what I can do. Eh? It's not what I can do. You know my Oga very well. I cannot allow you to sleep inside this room this night. Please, just understand with me.
Help me. Look, I promise you, your Oga will not know that I slept here. Before he wakes up in the morning, I must have left. I'll sleep outside and he will think I slept there. Help me, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Ma, see, let me tell you. If I should allow you to sleep inside this room this night, first thing tomorrow morning, first boss will take me to my village. I'm telling you the gospel truth. It's even you that will help me, man. I'm pleading. You want my Oga to sack me? Eh? Please, man. Please. This is beyond my control. Eh? Please. Good night.
I wish I can amend it. It just got me in my head. I am truly sorry. I don't mean to do it. My past is not a heart, man. I wish that I can amend it. My heart is burning. I wish that I can fix it. My past is now hard, man. I wish that I can amend it. My heart is the body. I wish I could fix it.
Good morning, sir. Sir, good morning.
What is it?
Sir, sorry. Don't be annoyed. Sorry for distracting you. Please, I want to talk to you about something.
Yes.
So I know I'm not supposed to interfere in this kind of matter, but I just have to talk to you. It's concerning Madam. Please, sir. I want to beg on behalf of her. I don't know what she might have done. Please forgive her. Look, since last night till now, she had been outside. Okay, last night she was knocking at my door, pleading to come and sleep inside my room. But I refused because I'm scared. I don't want you to sack me. Please, sir, no matter what Madam may have done, please forgive her. Please, I'm on my knees, sir. Please, sir. Please.
Stand up.
Sir?
Stand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sit.
Thank you, sir.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Would you marry a woman
that has slept with dogs.
Eh?
I said, would you marry a woman that has slept with dogs?
Dogs? No. God forbid.
Or you won't? Okay. You can go now.
So,
you can go.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, what happened? Why are you bleeding?
No, sir. Help me, please.
Hey.
Help me. Help me.
Hey. Hey. Oga! Oga! Hey. Oga! Hey. Madam. Oga! Madam, I don't know. Madam is bleeding. Huh? Hey. Petra, open your eyes, talk to me. Hey. Petra, what's wrong with her now? Is this how she was? I don't know. Petra! Hey. Madam,
no. Madam, sorry, Sorry. Nothing will happen to you. Eh? Madam.
Help me.
Hey.
Help me, oh.
We'll take you to the hospital.
Help
yeah?
me.
Oga, help me. Oga, let's come like this. Sir?
I'm so sorry you lost your child. The test result shows that she has been in a lot of stress. And the miscarriage that she had is also as a result of this stress. I don't know the kind of things that she has been involved in to experience such. What she needs now is love and care. It can make her recover quickly. I need to attend to some other things. And don't hesitate to call any of the nurses if you need anything, okay?
Thank you, doctor.
What happened? She lost the baby. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, man. Please take heart. Oh, this is so sad. But it's a good thing you brought her to the hospital. Regardless of everything. It's okay, man. It's okay.
Sorry for the miscarriage. God knows best. It's a good thing you survived. Because I've heard of people losing their lives in such cases of miscarriage at 6 months. So I thank God for your life. Please, you just need to try to be strong and stop crying. Crying is not good for you at all. Please.
Winnie, the only thing that can make me happy is if Pascal forgives me. Please, help me beg him to forgive me. My world is nothing without him. I lost our baby. That is enough sacrifice. I've been through a lot. I've been through too much pains. I just need him to forgive me. Look, I'll die if he doesn't forgive me. I don't think I'll be able to survive this. He should just forgive me. That's all I want.
Don't talk like this. No, you won't die. No. He will forgive you. Yes. At least if not for any reason, but for the sake of God in heaven that he saves, he will forgive you. And I know Pascal is not so heartless to leave you alone in this pain or abandon you in this. Oh, he will always be by your side.
Pascal. Pascal. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm a changed person now. I'm giving my life to Christ. Please, if not for anything, for the sake of our child that we lost, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, if you don't forgive me, I'll die. I love you so much, Pascal. Please, please forgive me.
Pascal.
Please.
Pascal.
Please forgive her. I beg you in the name of God.
She has repented now. And she has also realized her mistakes. She will never do it again. I can assure you that. Please. Just forgive her. Please. Please.
I have forgiven you, Petra. I have. But I cannot continue with this relationship. I just can't. I cannot bear the trauma of having to live with this for the rest of my life. It's not fair. On me, on you. I'm sorry. I'll do everything in my power to make sure that you're okay and you lack nothing. That is the best that I can do. I'm sorry.
I wish I can amend it. It just got me in my head. I am truly sorry. I don't mean to do it. My past is not a heart, man. I wish that I can amend it. My heart is burning. I wish that I can fix it. My past is now hard, man. I wish that I can amend it. My heart is the body. I wish I can fix it. It hurt me so much. Tell me how you want me to understand it. I can't believe my ears, but it has happened, I gotta let go. It's just your past, I understand, but it hurt me to know your past. I wish I never knew